Hello everyone, welcome to solve this nice math Olympiad exponential equation problem. So here we have 5 to the power of x minus 4 to the power of x is equals to 9, and we solve this problem for all the values of x. But here you remember one thing is that our x must be belongs to an integer. It means that we solve this problem for integral values of x. And now we move towards the solution of this problem. So here first we need to divide both of the sides by 4 to the power of x. So when we divide both of the sides by 4 to the power of x, it will be written as 5 to the power of x divided by 4 to the power of x minus this is 4 to the power of x divided by 4 to the power of x equals to 9 divided by 4 to the power of x. And now here further in the next step, we need more simplifications. Here first we use the nice exponential law. You know about this law. If we have a to the power of m divided by b to the power of m, so this is equals to a divided by b and its whole power is n. According to this rule of exponents, we need to combine the exponent of both of these two terms. And you see here, this 4 to the power of x and this 4 to the power of x are cancelled out by each other. And we need to combine the exponent of this term, and it will be written as 5 over 4 and its whole power is x minus 1 is equals to, this will becomes 9 divided by 4 to the power of x. So, in order to move here, forward, we need to define a nice rule of exponents. Remember that if we have a number if we have a number a to the power of n, then there are two cases from here. There are two cases for this exponential function. Now, if you see on the base of this term, you see here if this base is greater than 1, then we say that the whole function a to the power of m is increasing function. Okay, then the whole becomes increasing function. But if the base of this term is less than 1, then we say that this will becomes here a to the power of m is decreasing function. Okay, so if our base is less than 1, then this decreasing. If base is greater than 1, then this increasing. So now here we need to decide about 5 over 4 to the power of x is increasing or decreasing, or 9 over 4 to the power of x is increasing or decreasing function. Now here first we need to focus on left hand side, and you see here the base of this term is 5 over 4, and here we write, we know about that 5 is always greater than 4. And here, when we divide both of the sides by 4, it will becomes 5 over 4 is greater than 1. And this implies that when we take the exponent x on both of the sides, it will be written as 5 over 4 to the power of x is greater than 1. You see here, the base of this term the base of this term is 5 over 4, and here you see that 5 over 4 is greater than 1. This means that the whole function 5 over 4 to the power of x is increasing function. Okay, so we write it here, 5 over 4 to the power of x is increasing function. And in the same pattern you see here, when we subtract 1 from increasing function, it will remains the increasing function. So it means that the left hand side of this equation will becomes here increasing function. Okay, so here our left hand side is increasing function, but here we need to decide about right hand side. So you see here the exponential function 4 to the power of x is increasing function, because you see here the base is 4 and 4 is greater than 1. So we call that 4 to the power of x is increasing function. But when we divide any constant number to the increasing function like 9 over 4 to the power of x, then this will becomes here decreasing function. Okay, so 9 over 4 to the power of x becomes decreasing function. And now you see here our left hand side becomes increasing function and our right hand side be the decreasing function. So, and you know about that, the graph of increasing function should be looks like in this form. So, increasing function is looks like in that way, and the decreasing function is looks like in this way. Okay. So, this is the graph of decreasing function, and this is the graph of increasing function. Or in other words, you see that this is the graph of left hand side, and this is the graph of right hand side. So both of these two functions are intersect at only one unique point, and this point is called the solution set of the given equation. So here in the next step we need to find this intersection point. So for this we need to copy down the given question statement here, so that our given question statement is 5 to the power of x minus 4 to the power of x is equals to 9. This is our given question statement, and here we find the values of x by inspection. So first we choose x is equals to 0. When you put it here, it will becomes 5 to the power of 0 minus 4 to the power of 0 equals to 9. And here you clearly get 0 equals to 9. So this is not possible, or it means that x is not satisfied the given equation. And now we choose x is equals to 1. When you put here, it will becomes 5 to the power of 1 minus 4 to the power of 1 equals to 9. And this will becomes 1 equals to 9. So this is again not possible case. And when we choose x is equals to 2, then this will becomes 5 square minus 4 square equals to 9. And this 5 square becomes 25 minus 4 square becomes 16 is equals to 9. And you clearly see here 9 equals to 9. This means that the value of x is equals to 2 is satisfied our given question statement. So we call that this point be the point that is x is equals to 2. So this x is equals to 2 be the only one solution of the given equation. So this is the final answer, and thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.